Hello, my name is Mark Gurda, and I'm graduating from New Berlin Eisenhower, and I will earn my Youth Apprenticeship Certificate and General Work Credit from GPS Ed this June. Over my time as a student in the GPS Ed program, I have learned that the working world is full of unexpected challenges, some ranging from physical labor all the way to mental focus. I've accomplished a lot and realized that I am a survivor because I want to be. I've had a few setbacks, but now I'm working a job and I love the people I work with. Most importantly, I'm doing better mentally and physically. One of the best experiences I've had as a GPS Ed student was the boat regatta. It showed the whole process of trial and error, but having fun by using your own ideas and creativity. It really showed me the importance of working as a group. I am proud of myself because I've come so far and now I know what I want to do and how to go about it. Something that makes me different from a regular high school student is I was able to figure out my life out a little earlier than everyone else. I was also able to make some money ahead of everybody else and save for my future plans. For the first year of being out of high school, I plan on taking a year to myself, and then I want to apply for an electrical apprenticeship. Perhaps one day I'll end up opening my own business. I would like to thank my parents and family for always taking me to class and pushing me to become the person that I currently am today. I would also like to thank my supervisors for pushing me to work harder. Lastly, thanks to my instructors for always being there even when I ghosted them. To all of the new students, take advantage of all the certifications that are able, such as the CPT certification, earning OSHA 10, and any other certifications to help you in the future. Thank you.